Welcome to my channel. My name is Darnell, and this is my cat Bash. You want to say hi? Oh, and he doesn't like to be held sometimes. Let me let him out just a minute. You don't have to stop it. Go. Go. You don't cooperate at all. I had Bash in here because this video is partly about him. I have a friend at work, and after talking with him, I found out that we're both artists. So he showed me some pictures of his artwork, and I showed him some of mine. Oh my goodness, he is so talented. Just blew me away. So we both decided, after further talking, that we were going to trade our artwork. I was going to paint something for him, and then he was going to draw something for me. Here's the picture that I sent him for inspiration. It's a picture of my cat, Bash, laying on my bed when I'm trying to read my Bible in the morning. Here's a picture of the painting that I did for him. He liked it. He hung it in his office. It touched me that he would do that. I have already posted this video to YouTube, but I'll put the link right here so you can go and watch it if you want to see me create it. He finished my drawing of Bash, and I knew I would love it, but it just took my breath away. It was absolutely incredible. I got it matted and framed, and I have it hanging in my home. So here it is on my wall. I love it so much. Justin did an amazing job catching Bash's personality. Oh, here he is now. Let me ask him what he thinks about it. Wrong cat. Hi. You say hi? Hey. Hi. What do you think of the picture? Huh, Bash?